Yo, what is Unorthodox gang? Back with another video. And today, I'm not gonna be doing anything special, but this is just a video to let you guys know that I am finally gonna be doing collabs. I'm gonna be choosing 3 people who go ahead and click on the link down below, sign up for sonicvibes.com, upload some of your best beats to the website. You can do 2 or more, whatever, it doesn't matter. Just show me your best beats, upload it to the website, and I'm gonna be choosing 3 producers to do a collab with, where I'm going to work with them, make a beat, put it on my channel, put it on SoundCloud, wherever, and yeah, it should be fun. Collab with you and me, it's about to be lit. So don't forget, upload the beats to sonicvibes.com, share this video with your friends, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.